Hi there YouTube, this is Capture MTB and this is a little bike check in these times that we don't know what's happening. I hope everybody is well and I hope you're all staying safe. This is a bike check of my Saracen LTX. I bought this from Saracen in 2019. It has been a great bike. I've loved riding it, so I thought I'd do a little bike check. So here is the butte. This, I have to admit, is not my original frame. Unfortunately, my original frame had a frame crack. Just a weak spot in the frame. Can't fault Saracen enough for how their replacement warranty was. Called them up. Within 2 days, they had my frame in. And it was fully done within a week. I had their frame back, fully built back up with all the parts. So a little bit about this frame. This is the 2019 carbon edition. It is a absolute beast. It is a size large. I am 5'11" and this frame sits perfectly on the border of where I'm meant to be. So I have done a few little changes to this bike, not too many, because I think Saracen hit it straight on the nut with what they've done. So all I have added, personalised myself, are these nuke proof pedals. There will be a video about them at another date, but going from flats to clips quite short. I haven't been riding for long. It's been a learning curve, but we're getting there. We will get there. I have also changed for the Unite, as you can see, components there, just on that. So I love the colour. Generally just love the colour. My other changes to this bike, I have changed the bars up for the new proof Horizon carbon. I just feel that if you've got a carbon bike frame, full frame, why not go for carbon bars? A little bit more flex in them, and they seem to dampen the feel of rock gardens for myself. I have also gone for the GD1 Ergon grips. These are the old ones, but I just find that because I am a bigger person, I'm not going to say I'm skinny, they just dampen the feel, and I love a wide grip. So what can I say about this bike? It may as well be a downhill bike. It is absolutely immense to go down hills. I think that is what Saracen have done completely well. They have built a bike to go down, and I have to admit, it is lovely to ride up hills. It is an all-round bike. Saracen have clearly taken a lot from their World Cup riders, and they have listened. It is matched up with the Fox 36s with the Grit 2 damper. I can't say I know much about suspension, but I don't feel rocks. I don't feel rocks, I don't feel roots. This front fork soaks up everything, and I am at 16 stone, and I have a close suspension company next to me called JTech, and I have got all my settings off them. If you do want a settings video, then I am more than happy to show you my settings and take you through them. I have the Fox Float X2 here. This has just come back from being serviced, due to it being now a year. I hadn't reached the target, unfortunately, of where you're meant to service it after so many miles. So it was a year, so they've both been serviced. I also had, most of my work is done by a mobile mechanic called Lost Ark. He's a great guy. He'll come out to you, do it there, or he'll take your bike and do it at his place. Can't recommend him enough. I run the Minion DHR 2s up front, and And at the back, as you can see, they are paired up with a DT Swiss E1900s. DT Swiss answer to Enduro wheels. Absolutely unbelievable. I've had, like I said, I've had this bike for a year, and the wheels run straight. Absolutely lovely. Only the one slight complaint I have about this bike is when you're just doing your general bolt check. Unfortunately, Saracen's main pivot bolt just sits behind the chainring, which can be annoying, but you shoot two birds one stone when you are doing a bolt check, because you take your cranks out and you look at them. So a little bit of so we say geometry of the plate. So the chainstay at the back is 435mm, so lovely. The frame reach is 465, which is also, we're good, we're happy with that. I kind of feel like I have to put my handlebars a tiny bit back, but nothing much. So that's personal preference. At the end of the day, it is all how you sit or how you stand on a bike, of how you like your setup. So yes, so the wheelbase of this frame is 1226mm. So I think that's pretty much in the middle. So I hope you like this bike check, guys. Stay safe, enjoy riding out there, don't do anything stupid, no nah. Like to see you soon. Please like and subscribe.